Hi everyone, it's Kristy here from KristyCoromandel.com and welcome to day 16 of our holiday blitz. 30 holiday projects in 30 days. So today we're going to create a little treat box, or a little treat bag I should say. And I'm using my brightly gleaming designer series paper. I just love this paper and this pattern. Look at that shimmer right there. Now Stampin' Up! Have plenty of papers that are in 6x6. So you can always use one of them. However, I just loved this pattern here, and so I just had to make this using this pattern. So this here has been cut down to a 6x6 piece. The first thing you're going to do is fold it in half from point to point. And then I've got my bone folder here to help me make that nice and smooth. Okay, the next thing we want to do is bring up our 2 points. We want to bring this one up, and just to make it even, I'm going to bring this one up at the same time, just so that I make them nice and even. Okay, and before I squish that down, I like everything to be nice and symmetrical, so I'm a bit anal that way. Not always, just when it comes to something like this, that when I bring this bit down, I want it to be matching that there, which means we are going to squash that right there. Okay, so using my bone folder, I'm now scoring that down. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Make a little nappy fold. One side, squash it down, other side. They should be both matching up the top here. Then we're going to bring this bit down here, and we can now score that. And this here should be the same seam as this here. So that's why I pulled all three at the same time. That way you know it's all symmetrical. Okay, so now let's stick all that down. So I've got some tear tape here. And because this is a 3D item, we do want tear tape to hold things down a lot better. But if you don't have tear tape, you can use something else. But I highly recommend not to use snail. Snail will not hold it. If you've got any fast fuse left over from back in the day, that's a really good one for this as well, you can use. But tear tape's probably the best way to go for this kind of a project. I haven't tried this with liquid glue, so I'm not sure if that's going to hold. But let's just go with tear tape. Okay, so I can put this one up over here. Put this one over here. I'm going to use my bone folder just to make sure that's all nicely stuck down, because it's quite a few folds in there. Okay, then I'm going to stick my little flap down. Okay, making sure that lines up with that seam there. Look at that. And then I've got a little pocket here where I can put my little treats in. But let's set that aside for a moment. I now have a scrap piece of Very Vanilla. And I have my stamp set here that is from, says Merry Christmas. It's from the Perfectly Plaid stamp set. I've just got this little greeting right here, okay? You can use whatever greeting that you have. But we're going to do some embossing. So I'm going to rub my embossing buddy over this. And we're going to ink this up using Versamarker ink. Like so. And then we're going to add some copper embossing powder. Now I'm using copper because there's copper shimmer already on my pattern paper there. If you don't have copper embossing powder, you can use the copper metallic ink. I just don't have the copper one. So that's why I've opted to heat emboss mine. But definitely if you've got the copper ink, metallic ink, go for it. Use that instead. Now we can heat set this with our heat gun until it melts. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Now I have here my layering circles dies, and I'm missing one. This one here. I'm going to use this scallop circle one, which was here. So I think it's about the third smallest die, and I'm going to die cut this out. Then we'll be back. Okay, so here's our little die already cut out. I'm simply got some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back, and I'm going to stick this at the front of my little gift pouch here. And now I can decorate and put some treats in it. So I've got some little Twixes here because they're little shimmery, just like my little treat pouch here, and I can put those in. And there's a little gift for someone. And then you can easily go ahead and wrap these into some cello bags. And I've got some of this new ribbon that's in our holiday catalogue as well that matches. And you can easily hand that and give that to a gift or to a teacher or to a friend this holiday season. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time for another holiday Blitz project. Until then, don't forget to subscribe using the red button right down the bottom right hand corner, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.